Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. Picture description for beginners. Several children are engaged in different activities inside a classroom. A boy wearing a red and white cap is sitting at a table, working on a cardboard house project. Another boy, wearing a red striped shirt, is helping him by placing a yellow cone on top of the house. A girl with black hair and a purple headband is sitting nearby, flipping through a blue book. Another girl with orange hair, wearing a purple sweater, is observing the project while holding a red block. A young girl in a pink shirt and teal pants is running toward the table with a blue object in her hand. Two children, a boy and a girl, are painting a house and sun on an easel at the back of the classroom. The girl has red hair tied in braids, and the boy is wearing a blue shirt. The children are smiling, showing their enjoyment of the activities. They are all interacting positively, either collaborating or playing. A male teacher with brown hair and glasses is supervising the children. He is wearing a green shirt and is leaning slightly toward the students. His expression is warm and friendly, showing his engagement with the class. He appears to be encouraging creativity and teamwork. His posture suggests he is actively involved in the students' learning process. The classroom is bright and spacious, with large windows allowing natural sunlight. There are shelves filled with books and storage boxes in different colors. The walls are decorated with educational posters, including one with fruit illustrations. A green plant is placed near the window, adding a natural touch to the room. The tables and chairs are arranged in a way that promotes group activities. A round table in the foreground has paint containers and brushes. The easel at the back has a bright painting of a house, a tree, and a sun. The children working on the cardboard house are using various materials like paper and small building blocks. The boy in the striped shirt is carefully placing a yellow cone to complete the structure. The girl with a book is likely referencing something for the project. The classroom appears lively, with children moving around and interacting. There is a strong sense of teamwork as the kids collaborate on different projects. The bright colors and cheerful expressions contribute to a positive and stimulating learning environment. The variety of activities suggests that the children are encouraged to explore different creative outlets. Overall, the scene captures a warm, engaging, and interactive learning space. This image beautifully represents a vibrant classroom where children are learning through play and teamwork. Subscribe the channel for more videos.